Hi, this is Fisher from Circuit Board Medics. Today I'm going to be talking about this Polaris PDM or Power Distribution Module found in 2005 to 2009 Polaris Ranger and Sportsman vehicles. The PDM is the brain behind the ride and controls everything from the starter to the fuel pump. These modules have been known to fail, and when they quit, so does your Polaris. Thankfully, we've developed a process to rebuild the PDMs at a fraction of the cost of a replacement. Over the years, this module has been recognized as a common failure point, leading to a lot of frustration for Polaris owners. Today, we're going to walk you through some of the common symptoms that point to a faulty PDM and the best way to get your vehicle back up and running smoothly. The most common symptoms that point to a failed PDM are the vehicle won't start, the display works intermittently or is completely out, or the alternator isn't charging the battery. These are the most prevalent issues that we've seen, but sometimes there may be other problems as well. Unfortunately, replacements can be expensive or hard to find, leaving you in a tough spot. PDM failures can also be misdiagnosed or misidentified as ECM failures, making the process even more difficult and frustrating. At Circuit Board Medics, we fully remanufacture the PDM to not only fix your current issues, but also prevent future problems, keeping you up and running much longer than a replacement would. You simply ship the module to us, we repair it in 1 business day and ship it back to you, complete with a 1-year warranty. This repair service saves you both time and money while giving you peace of mind knowing that you won't be left stranded by a future failure. If you would like to have your PDM rebuilt, you can visit us at circuitboardmedics.com or give us a call at 800-547-2049. We look forward to serving you.